We begin with breaking news. Right now, 3 suspects in a deadly child abuse case are all in court. Susan Robinson, Tanya McKnight, and Tarek McKnight are facing murder charges in connection to the death of 6-year-old Dominique Moody.
Thanks for joining us here for the news at noon. I'm Ben Thompson.
And I'm Lisa Washington.
You'll remember all 3 women were charged with child abuse last month after Moody was found unresponsive at a home in East Charlotte. WCNC Charlotte's Richard Devane now live from the courthouse in Uptown with the latest. Richard, what exactly happened there in court?
Yeah, this is a first appearance that occurs, Ben. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon, Lisa. Good Thursday afternoon, folks. Basically, in the first appearance, the person comes into court. That suspect steps before a judge. The judge tells them what they're charged with, in this case, murder. And then they're either announced if they have an attorney or a court-appointed attorney is given to them. Since these ladies already were facing charges, they had court-appointed attorneys. But in the case of Tanya McKnight, the first one to go before the judge, she actually, her attorney said that she can't represent her now because of the fact that this is now a capital murder case. Now, as we look at video, these 3 women now formally will face first-degree murder charges in the death of 60-year-old in East Charlotte. Susan Robinson, Tanya McKnight, and Tarek McKnight arraigned on the upgraded charges in the death of Dominique Moody today at their first appearances. Court records say Dominique died on December 16th after enduring a prolonged abuse, torture, and starvation. Police were called to a home on Gwynn Hill around 7:40 that morning after receiving a report that Dominique was not breathing. She was taken to Novant Mint Hill, where she was pronounced dead. Investigators describe extreme and dangerous living conditions inside the home, including filth, rodent infestation, and no reliable heat during cold temperatures. It actually dipped into the 20s. Documents say the 6-year-old was severely underweight, had extensive injuries, including open wounds and scarring across much of her body, and evidence that she had been restrained by duct tape and forced to stay in a dog crate. All 3 women lived in the home and were previously charged with felony child abuse, as you said. We spoke with Dominique's biological mother, Ikea McKnight, last year after Dominique died. And as she talked about how painful it was, that she thought she could actually trust her child with a family member. We'll have our own Jesse Pierre is in the courtroom getting more details, and we'll have complete reports online, on the app, and again right here starting at 4 o'clock. We're at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse. Richard Devane, we'll send it back to you.
I can think of few local cases as chilling as this one in recent years. Richard Devane reporting live for us there.
Disgusting.
Richard, thank you.